Hello children. Today we are going to solve a problems of lesson number 7, motion, force and work. See the first question. A force of 1000 Newton was applied to stop a car that was moving with a constant velocity. The car stopped after moving through the 10 meter. How much it's the work done? Now here we have to find out the work done. So, first of all, we are going to write here the direction of a force and the displacement are opposite to each other. But means wherever direction of a force and displacement are always opposite to each other. That means F, that is force, is equal to 1000 Newton, and S, that is displacement, is minus 10 meter. So as per the formula of work done, that is W, is equal to F into S, that is force into displacement. Here value of force F is equal to 1000 and S is equal to minus 10. So our final answer is minus 10,000 joule. Joule is a unit of a work done. So the work done W is equal to minus 10,000 joule. Now see the second question. A cart with mass 20 kg went 50 meter in a straight line on a plain and smooth road. When a force of 2 Newton was applied to it, how much work done by the force? Here also here again we have to calculate the work done, that is W. So again here the direction of a force and the displacement are opposite to each other. That means here F is equal to 2 Newton and S is equal to minus 50 meters. So work done, that is W, is equal to F into S, that is force into displacement. F, here F is 2. So here we are going to write on 2 into S is minus 50. So 50 to the 100 and this minus sign will come over here. So work done is equal to 100 joule. So final answer is the work done is W is equal to minus 100 joule. This is the second one answer. Now we will move the next one. See the question number third. A person travel a distance of 72 km in 4 hours. Calculate the average speed in meter per second. Now here you have to uh, calculate one thing, that here you can see the unit distance 72 km and time is 4 hour. But whenever you calculate the average speed, that is the unit is a meter per second. So here you have to convert this kilometer into the meter and hour into the second. So see how I am going to solve this. First of all, we are writing the given displacement, that is S, is equal to 72 kilometer. Now we have to convert this kilometer into the meter. So as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So therefore 72 into 1000 is equal to 72,000 meter. Here what I am doing, I am just doing converting this kilometer into the meter. So 72 kilometer is equal to 72,000 meter. Now next we have to also convert the time hour into the second. So 4 hours is equal to 4 into 36, 3600. That means what? 14,400 second. Why? Cause 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. We have to calculate 4 hours. So I multiply 3600 into 4. So I got the 4 hours is equal to 14,400 seconds. So here I got the S is equal to 72,000 meter and T is equal to 14,400 seconds. Now I move to the formula average speed that I have to find out. Average speed U is equal to S upon T. S is your displacement and T is equal to time. So here my S is 72,000 and T is equal to 14,400. Now this 20 and this 20 will get cancelled. Now remaining part 720 and 144. So mu is equal to, that is U is equal to 10 upon 2, that is 10 means I divided this both number by 72. 72 tens are 720, 72 twos are 144. So here I got the 10 upon 2, that is equal to 5 meters square. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So my final answer is 5 meter per second. Here I got the answer in meter per second. I wrote the answer because we have to find out the average speed in meter per second. So here I got the answer 5 meter per second. Understood? So the average speed of a person is equal to 5 meter per second. Now next question is fourth one. The velocity of a moving body increases. So the question of 4 is the velocity of a moving body increases 10 meter second to 20 meter second in 5 seconds. Find out its acceleration. Now in this question we have to find out the acceleration. So here we have the time. We have given the u, that is 10 meter per second, and v is equal to 20 meter per second, t is equal to 5 second, and we have to find out acceleration, that is a, by using formula. So first of all we have to know the formula v is equal to u plus at. That is a formula. Now we have to calculate the a. So what we are going to do, we just write out a as it is over here because we have to find out the a, and I keep this u forward here, v minus u upon t. Is that clear? So this is my formula, a is equal to v minus u upon t. My v is 20 minus u is 10 upon t is my 5. 20 minus 10, that is a 10, this 5, 10 upon 5. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. That is my answer is 2 meter per second square. So the final answer is the acceleration of the body is 2 meter per second square. This is my final answer. Thank you.